Hello, hello, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Surprise! I just started to do one more quick live to make a couple cards. I was on earlier today. If you missed it, definitely check it out with details about making this 2024 calendar using the delightful floral designer paper, brand new paper. And I had some scraps left over from when I cut the pages for my project. And so I thought I would make a couple quick cards. But my battery is about to die on my phone. I got dogs camping out underneath me, so honestly, the dogs might not last as long as the battery, so this should be Julie versus the dogs. I'm doing a social media challenge with my Stampin' Up business, and the challenge for today is a quick video. And so I did a video earlier, which I don't think qualifies as quick, so I just wanted to see if we could do an even quicker video and make some quick cards. So I'm using the scraps from my calendar. Oh my gosh, I just love this designer paper. The new Heartfelt Hexagon bundle with the coordinating punch, my new favorite. You can get these right now. They are available as an early release for World Card Making Day. Well, whenever I need a quick card, I love turning to my back pocket card layouts. So I got out my little ring and pulled out a layout that is one of my favorites, and so I'm going to use up my scraps and make this card. So here's the layout we're using. I got some card base colors using Bubble Bath and Lemon Lime Twist. Is that the color? Lemon Lime Twist? I think so. And so I picked out a few patterns. We're going to do one like this. Isn't that cute? It's so quick and easy. And then on this one, I love this pattern. And how about Berry Burst? Oh my gosh. This or that. I'm going to make them both, but you guys tell me, which colors are you drawn to using? Let's put all of these aside. Those are just going to save for another quick day when I'm trying to outstamp my battery. All right, so I got my stamps ready to go for the Heartfelt expressions. Oh, I forgot to get paper though. I'm just going to grab a new piece of basic white, and who has time for a paper cutter? I'm just kidding. I do, but apparently not for stamping. I just realized though I do need to cut a piece. All right, we're stamping the outlines. How fun that this stamp has two outlines which coordinate with the punch. So I'm going to do the wider one, which has lines and dots. That one's going to be in Bubble Bath. And then the other one is going to be in the Lemon Lime Twist. Now, did you guys order this stamp set? You'll have to leave a comment and let me know. This just became available last week. Oh my gosh, did you see that snare? Turn it over, try again. This design is so delicate that you really cannot rock it at all. Okay. Then words. So one thing that's really cool about this stamp set is we got lots of versatile sentiments in here. The one I'm using here with Pretty Peacock is with sincere sympathy. It's always good to have some sympathy cards on hand because you just never know when you're going to need them. And I'm going to add some leaves in the lighter, oh, that's pretty, in the lighter Lemon Lime Twist. And then for the other one, I'm going to do Berry Burst. And this one says, sending you lots of love and hugs. Oh, I know exactly who I want to send lots of love and hugs to. And that would be Claire, my daughter at college. She just left last week. That's not exactly straight, is it? It's going to be good enough. She won't care. She's going to be so happy to get some happy mail. Who would you sending lots of love and hugs to? Do you have someone away at college or far away that you haven't seen in a while? I just need to grab the scissors and stop being silly with with the tearing. I miss her so much, but I'm also really excited for her. So it's like, so weird. It's just such a weird feeling. It's bittersweet, right? Like, I'm so happy for her and so excited for her new experience, but gosh darn it, I just want to hug her and talk to her. All right, yes, I know this bundle is so awesome, Kathy. And I'm using all new colors and returning colors. So Bubble Bath is a brand new color. Lemon Lime Twist is back. Pretty Peacock is back. Berry Burst. Oh my gosh. These colors are so gorgeous. All right. And I'm going to trim the designer paper. Now, I was looking at my back pocket card layout. These are the scraps that I had when I cut my calendar pages. So these are 5 1/4 by 2.5, and I want to do the layout measurements of 2 inches by 4. And so I'm just going to give these a quick trim. I'm cutting them together because the paper's thin, so that's not a big deal. Yeah, oh, Becky, your daughter in North Carolina. No, it's so hard. I didn't realize how hard it was going to be. I was talking such a good game about how I was going to be fine, but it hasn't even been a week. I'm not fine. I know I'll get into a new routine. Okay, I've got my paper, and I personally like to have these a little staggered, a little angled. And if you don't, you can always make them straight like that. But I like the angle. You tell me, what do you think? Do you like them angled or not angled? Nicole, oh my gosh, I see that your daughter's away at school as well. Is this her first year? Are you like me? Is this a new experience? All right, so angled or straight, tell me. I'm going to do this one angled, and then I'll do the other one straight if you want it to be, or maybe I should do the other way around. Where did my adhesive go? Okay, so the challenge, this challenge in this social media thing that we're doing, it's supposed to be just like a 3-minute video. I don't think I've ever in my life done a 3-minute video. It's supposed to be just a couple minutes to like share a little tip. And so I guess that's what I have to do. I just have to share one tip. I don't think I can make a card in 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Can you guys do that? Have you ever we've timed me making cards before, but it is I don't know. I'll see if I can. I'm going to share my favorite tip with the tear and tape, which you guys probably already know if you watch all the time. And if you don't, hang on. It's going to be really cool. Okay. I am seeing comments. Becky says angled. Chris says angled. I thought I saw some more angled. So we are going to do this one angled too. Whenever you make your card at home, you can always do it any way you want. Well, looking at my card layout, I've got the sentiment there and then a little accent strip. So I'm going to bring in a little bit of the distressed gold. I thought that it went nicely with both of these cards, don't you think? Just a little pop of color. And of course, I thought I should add a little bit of ribbon too. So I'm going to do that. And here's where the trick comes in. I always love to have my ribbon kind of sticking out, but I always put my tags on with Stampin' Dimensional. So I'm going to attach the ribbon to the back of my tag using some tear and tape. And so I'm going to kind of go back and forth. Alita was just messaging me about this trick with the ribbon, and she was saying, how do you do it? And so I just I call it back and forth, but it's sort of like a figure 8, right? You're making 2 loops and then you have the straight lines hanging out, and you kind of want to make sure that it's going to be long enough to go where you want it to go. And so if you need to make it longer, you can, but you want some straight pieces to come out longer than the loops. And so just adjust until you have it that way. And sometimes it's easier if you just even like tie a bow. And so I'm going to flip this over, and I want the ribbon to lay across diagonally, and I'm going to take that tear and tape, which I put on my finger ahead of time, and I'm going to use it to hold the ribbon down in the back. And now I can have this be flat, and I still have my fun little loops and lines, and sometimes you can adjust it just a little bit if you need to, but it's good if you have it just down, and the tear and tape holding it in place. So let's go ahead and get it on our card. We're going to do regular adhesive to add our little strip, and then we're going to add our tag. Oh, I just love this Heartfelt Hexagon. That's the name of this new shape. And we're going to do some Stampin' Dimensionals there. Hi, everybody. I'm so glad. I wasn't sure if anybody would be popping on because it was so last minute that I decided to come on, but you guys are so good. I'm glad that you are watching today and tuning in. Okay, on this one, I'm going to do the same thing, but instead of using the green ribbon, I'm going to use this glittered one. I wanted to use the glittered ribbon on both of them, honestly, but I felt like it was maybe a little inappropriate for the sympathy. I don't know, it just felt too like glam, and not so sympathy appropriate. Honestly, I was worried about the distressed gold too, but I think that it's subdued enough that it's okay. But this one is one of my favorite ribbons, this white organdy ribbon. And there's a new one in the mini catalog that is navy. Oh, so gorgeous. So I'm just going to do the same trick. Oh, I forgot to get, I forgot to get my ribbon ready. Okay, it's good to have it ready because then you don't have to have a third hand, right? If you don't have it ready, then you just feel like you need another hand or two. All right, I'm going to use that same trick, putting the tear and tape down across the ribbon to hold it on, and boom, my ribbon stays flat and isn't too bulky underneath the tab. I'm going to add that with some regular adhesive and then dimensionals again under the tag. Finished card, which do you prefer? Do you like the sympathy or the hugs? I'm gonna lift this up. And actually that came up way too easy. Like maybe I forgot to take the paper backing off a dimensional. I'm just gonna overlap that gold strip a little bit. We could use a little bling. I think I'm gonna see what I can find. Something neutral and quick, like some rhinestones. Let's just about get these out. Kay says both cards. I'm going to make you pick, Kay. Which of these is a card that you could send right now in the mail? Do you have a sympathy card that you need to send? Uh-oh, I have a dimensional sticking out. Get off of there. I actually could send both of these in the mail today. I am behind on some sympathy cards, and I want to send some love to somebody special. Okay, fine. You can say both. You guys are ganging up on me. Oh my gosh. Okay, quick and easy card using a back pocket card layout. I think these are just so easy and quick, and I use this all the time. I call it a back pocket card layout because literally you can pull it out of your back pocket when you need a versatile and easy card layout. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video and this quick idea, that you will use this layout in your next card making session, and the little ribbon trick. I hope that helped you out as well. All right, thanks so much for tuning in. I will not be live again today. Maybe I'll surprise you tomorrow, but I will definitely see you tomorrow night at 7:15 for Thursday night stamp therapy. Have a good night. Bye.